How to fix this file format is not supported in WhatsApp problem. So the solution is very simple. So first open WhatsApp and then click on this three dot, click on setting. Now tap on chats and scroll down. Now click on chat backup. First enter your Gmail and then tap on backup button. Once complete that process, after that go to Chrome browser. Now search old version WhatsApp. Now open this site, scroll down and click on port number WhatsApp. Now scroll down and click on this button. After completing this, install this WhatsApp. After installing this WhatsApp, now log in your account in this WhatsApp and use without any problem. Thanks for watching.